My gosh.
Walk into the car and you take my hand. Your hand is shaking now, but you ask me for a dance. Can I have a chance?
Hey everyone! It's been a while. A very long while. So hi, I'm Teeny, aka Teeny Dorks. And welcome to my channel. Grabe ka, Senti. Maglilinis lang naman.
My gosh. Nakakaloka. Oh my gosh. This is too much, guys. Well, in my defense, sobrang nabisi kasi talaga sa school, lalo na nung third term ng fourth year ko. So, I wasn't really able, actually, hindi lang third term mula pa second term kasi nag-integration course kami. So, I really had no time to linis. Wala talaga, guys. So, naipon na siya. Hindi siya kita sa camera medyo, pero alikabok yan. 'Di ba it's white, pero mga alikabok yan. Dumikit na siya dyan. Kasi nga, sobrang tagal na. Ayun, ngayon, I'm gonna deal with these papers. I'm gonna throw some things out. Yung mga hindi na talaga mapapakinabangan. Ayun, tambak-tambak na lang talaga dito. Halo-halo na. Dito yung project ng kapatid ko. Dito yung ibang mga gamit ko. Dito yung, syempre, yung mga albums na merong LBC. Ano ba yan? Oh my gosh. I don't know, guys. What I'm planning to do is to remove yung mga damit. Oh, di ba? To remove yung mga damit na nandyan para mailabas ko cabinet na yan at palinisan yung buong paligid, guys. guys, time check. It's 6:51 p.m. at kakatapos ko lang maglabas ng mga gamit dito sa kwarto. So, ang natira na lang dito is yung kama and yun na lang kasi inalis ko na lahat ng gamit. Andun lahat sa labas. Kaya wala na madaanan. So, that's just the first part of my general cleaning process. Kasi kapag niki-clean ako, una, syempre, alisin yung mga gamit. Pangalawa, kukuskusin yung walls and floor. Pangatlo is lilinisan yung mga gamit. Tapos pang-apat, ibabalik na yung mga gamit sa loob. So, that's the first part, guys. And it's already 6:51. Nakakaloka. Ang hirap pagka nag-accumulate na talaga yung dust. I mean, accumulate. NANI? Ang hirap kapag sobrang dami ng dust.
One eternity later.
At gamit na naipon sa kwarto. Ilang months nakatenga to. Siguro mag-year din. Kasi mula talaga nung nag-4th year ako, di ko na talaga nagalaw to ng maayos. So, yeah. Magkukuskus muna ako ng pader at ng floor. Let's go. Timba. Tight. Basahan na bilog.
Walked over, joined in the line. Jaw dropped, you wearing all white. Wonder when you got so fine. Yeah. Said hi and asked what's been up. Kept talking month after month. Your time, I can't get enough. Not alone anymore. You could be the one I'm looking for. You could be the one my heart adores.
Ayun guys, tapos na yung mga pader. Wow! Ngayon naman, lalampasuhin natin ang floor.
Don't need second guesses. Falling but won't let it show. You're what I'm looking for. You had me at the door. Walked in, I need some more of you. I need you in my life. I want you all the time. I'm falling through the sky for you. I promise.